Welcome to your gateway into the future of conversation, ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you're curious about artificial intelligence or looking for a digital assistant, you're about to take the first step into a larger world. Today, we'll guide you through the simple process of signing up for ChatGPT, starting from the very beginning. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First off, let's find ChatGPT. You can start by either Googling ChatGPT or going directly to the ChatGPT website by typing in chat.openai.com into your browser's website address bar. Either way, you'll find your way to the official ChatGPT page, which looks like this. Once you've landed on the ChatGPT homepage, you'll start to see an overview of what ChatGPT can do and how it's transforming digital communication. To begin your journey, look for the Sign Up or Try ChatGPT button. It's usually prominently displayed on the page like it is here. Clicking on Sign Up will take you to a registration form. Here you will need to enter some basic information, start with your email address, and then create a password. Remember, choosing a strong password is crucial for keeping your account safe. You also have the option to continue with Google, Microsoft, or with your Apple account. After filling in your email and password, you might also be asked to agree to terms of service and a privacy policy. It's a good idea to review these to understand how your data will be used and protected. Next, you'll likely need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email form from ChatGPT and click on the link provided. This step is essential to ensure your email address is valid and to secure your account. Once your email is verified, you're all set to go. Go back to the ChatGPT login page, enter your email and password, and then you're in. Welcome to ChatGPT. So now that you're logged into ChatGPT, take a moment to look around and explore. You can start a new conversation with ChatGPT, experiment with different prompts, and even customize your experience. ChatGPT is designed to be intuitive, offering you a wide range of possibilities right at your fingertips. ChatGPT will even start with giving you some suggestions of things that you could put in as the prompt. Something to note on ChatGPT is up here, it says ChatGPT 4 on my screen. This depends on what plan you buy. If you have the free plan, you will only see ChatGPT 3.5. If you are on 4, which is Plus, Teams, or Enterprise, just be aware of the limits of messages each day, because sometimes you might want to toggle back and forth between the free version and the paid version, depending on what prompts you're putting in and what type of output you need. But there you have it, a step-by-step guide to signing up for ChatGPT. Whether you're exploring AI for fun, education, or work, ChatGPT opens up a world of interactive and intelligent conversation. Remember, the potential of ChatGPT is vast, and it's all about asking the right questions. So go ahead, dive in, and start chatting. The future is waiting for you. And as always, let us know if you have any questions.